Good evening and welcome. Whether you're an apprentice, a proud family member, a friend, an employer, an event sponsor, an instructor, a partnering agency, a guest speaker, we are thrilled to have you here to celebrate the 2026 AJAC Apprenticeship Graduation Ceremony here at the iconic Museum of Flight. So tonight is a celebration. We come together to celebrate and honor the dedication, the grit, the growth, and the perseverance of graduating apprentices. And if you ever gone through an apprenticeship or supported someone who has, you know this is a challenging journey filled with lifing all throughout. These individuals are about to journey out into the next phase of their careers as automation technicians, production technicians, industrial manufacturing technicians, industrial maintenance technicians, plastic process technicians, machinists, operations specialists, logistics specialists, and for the very first time, we have graduating CNC programmers, all 6 of them. These graduates aren't just stepping into careers. The expectation is that they will be stepping into leadership positions, into mentorship roles, and other roles where they help to shape the future of advanced manufacturing right here in their local community. So graduates, no pressure. It was back in 2014 when we hosted our very first AJAC graduation, celebrating 24 apprentices from 10 companies. And tonight we're proud to recognize 69 apprentices from 52 companies. So as we bring this evening to a close, apprentices, please take a moment to be proud and to congratulate yourself, for you have actually earned it. The 69 graduates, they have racked up 3,030 college credits, 30,300 hours of classroom instruction, 397,000 hours of on-the-job training, and have earned over $8 million in wages, not including benefits. So tonight you walk out of here not just with a certificate, but with a nationally recognized credential that speaks to your discipline, your commitment, and your perseverance. Apprenticeship is a mindset. Over time, you've learned to hone your skills, obtain knowledge, earn wages, and now it is time to move forward and to give back. Be the next shop lead. Be the next leader. Be the next mentor. Be the next instructor. Be the next master in someone else's journey. Remember to thank those who helped you get here, your family, your instructors, your mentors, your employers, and your peers, as no one does it alone, nor should anyone. I want to thank everybody, thank our sponsors, thank employers, thank the graduates, thank the families, and thank you for being here for AJAC's 2026 annual graduation. And therein closes this ceremony. Thank you.